Hello everybody, it's Clint Cole here from Rusty Hinge Designs, here for another pour. And actually, this is going to kind of be I'm always trying to get that landscape one just right. I never seem to do what I want, but I think a lot of times because I swipe it so it looks different, but I just love the way the swipe looks. So I don't know, I'm just going to kind of go for it and see what we're going to do. I got black here, I've got some lavender, some metallic blue, some kind of brownish gold, some yellow, some black, and some white. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them all, but roughly about half Floetrol and half paint, a little bit of distilled water, and a little bit of silicone, sprayed in each one. So what I'm going to start with here is the black, and put it on the top there. And where's my tool? There it is. Make sure I got a rag over here to wipe this off. So what we're going to do is get this smoothed down on there. Okay. And while I'm at it, go ahead and get the sides. I like to try to get that done if I can right away. A little spray of water to help kind of catch it on there, to help it mustard and catch up on there. All right, and we will put it on the edge there. Hopefully, come on, catch. There we go. Let's give it a little bit of this just to help break it up a little as you go down. I like to swipe it on my silicone too, so when it dries it looks really cool. Yeah, that looks cool. See the brown? Yeah, the brown really didn't come through too much in the bottom there, but that's okay. So what I want to do now is take a little bit of yellow here, just a little bit, just a little wee bit, oh, a little wee bit. And suck it up with my dropper here, and let's go over on this side. Let's go a little bit more there, and then take my little tool here. Let's see if we can get kind of a. You know what? I think I'm gonna need more yellow there, aren't I? Yeah, that looks better. Gotta wipe it each time because the black will start to come out of the center. If you don't wipe it each time, it looks like it's already happening anyways, but it'd be much worse if I didn't wipe it off each time. Try to get even more in there and see what happens. See, it looks good, but those little bubbles up there kind of throwing it off a little bit, so let me see if I can sort of get rid of each one of those. Do I have any more? No, this should be okay actually. I'll put some brown on the side, but I think the blue will be fine. It seems like no matter how much you cover up the sides and stuff, there's always little spots that you miss that come through a little bit. You know, that's okay. You know why it's okay? Because I said it's okay. So if anyone says, wait a minute, you can't do that, just say, oh, Clint Cole from Rusty Hinge Designs, he said it was okay. And they'll recognize my authority right away, and they'll tell you, oh, okay, I apologize for even questioning you. I apologize. I didn't realize he said it was okay. Yeah, so this definitely is the beach. There's the ocean. We're going into nighttime sky, and the sun's out in the middle of the night for some reason. Maybe we're in Alaska, but that doesn't make sense, because then why would you see the stars? I don't know, folks. It's just what I felt like doing, so it's what I did. All right? All right? All right? Let's get you a little bit closer so you can see. Actually, I think you're pretty good, huh? You're pretty close. Let's see. Now you can always go closer. That's it. Is that better? Yeah, hope you guys like this one. Another little night effect there. I'm gonna do another pour because I got a lot of paint left over, so we'll see you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Tell your grandmother, sisters, brothers, uncles, mailman's best friends, dog, veterinarian, daughter, who's fish guy. Tell him about the video, Rusty Hinge Design, and us, so they'll check it out. All right, other than that, I'll see you on the next one.